Hey, Grandgris in a jar. Why are you here? Signups haven't even started yet. Correct, but I'm actually doing an early sign up. Get out. No. Finally, peace and quiet. Hi there, it's me, Karen. Can I join Troc? Thank you, Steak, for setting up the camera for me. I could have done it without you. Anyways, my name is Cooked Egg, and I'm female. I'm kind and smart. I like dogs, cats, cake, omelet, food, staying awake, singing, eggshells, and I really, really hate numbers. Something about them makes me so angry. This is my kitchen. This is where I create my delicious meals like omelet and chips. Oh, what's that? You want to see me cook? Sure, I'd love to. First, we get a big bowl. And next, we add the eggs. When you're done, now stir the bowl really gently. And now pour it in the pan. While we're waiting, let me talk to you about my life story. I live with my mommy and daddy, mommy egg and papa egg. They both love me. When I was with my mommy walking, I saw Grandgris in a jarred screen above me talking about Troc and people competed in it. And the prize in Troc is a gaming PC and slimy high five. I'm so excited cause I always wanted a gaming PC when I was a baby. But my parents couldn't afford one, so they gave me a console instead. I heard it's been like 5 seasons already. I am so prepared to join Troc 6, and I also heard Troc Island is far from my house. So I asked my parents permission to leave the house for my journey to join Troc, and also for the gaming PC. Hey look, the omelet's done. It's a masterpiece. Yes, and I'll be taking that. Oh, and as for the chips. Now it's time to give it to Grandgris in a jar senpai. Whoosh. Finally, I'm out from the hospital. Now I can get... Hey, Grandgris in a jar, I got a gift for you. What is this? Oh yeah, well, I got hungry when I trying to get here, so I ate the food. What? You ate the food? If I don't get anything to eat, I will eat you instead. No, wait, don't do it. Ow.